Guys, welcome back to the channel. I know you're probably looking at this like, what the hell, Jay? What are you doing? This is going to be another video in the series of Everything Works and Nothing Works. And I just want to show you what would happen if you identified a trend and then you just took the close of every candle. You took when the high was broken of every candle. Because when you break a high of a candle, it's a breakout. Okay, on a smaller time frame, every time you trade above a candle or below a candle's high or low, it's a breakout, right? And we've heard that, 70% of breakouts fail, all that stuff, and that could be true. But when you have a trending market, what typically happens is price continues in the direction it was going. So I'm going to show you how, just with, and I haven't done this yet, I just have a guess that it's going to work. We're going to bring up the wins and losses here. And we're just going to take every single white candle, indiscriminate of structure, indiscriminate of trend lines, or anything else that you think you need to know to trade. Okay, we're just going to take every single candle in the direction that we think the market's ultimately going. Now, for this to work, we're only going to lose 4 points when we lose. But when we win, we're going to win 12 points. Okay, so let's take every single bar that makes sense throughout the day, and we're just going to see what we come up with, okay? And no matter what the last position is doing, we're going to take the next position, which is the close of that bar, okay? So it's really simple. We're just going to pretend we entered here. We're going to drag this over, and if this line here is pointing up, that's a win. We take it off, move on, okay? When it goes down, that means we lost that trade. All right, so let's make it happen here. Let's go. So we would have won that one. Oh, a win is 12 points, and a loss is only 4 points. So it's a 3-1, okay? So we've already won that one. We took this next one as soon as it traded above. We won that one. Delete. This next one here. See how there's no arrow going up? No arrow going up? That's because we lost. It's thinking that we lost on the same candle, so I would have actually put it up here, and then we still would have lost it here. Okay, you guys see that? Okay, so we've lost one. Okay, here, this wouldn't have been traded because that's not a candle for us. Okay, so we're gonna say that we won this one also. See that yellow going up there? Okay, next candle, trade above a white candle. We won that one. Okay, next candle, trade above a white candle. We lost. You see how that arrow's pointing down? That's a loss. Done. Okay, we lost that. Traded above this candle here. We lost. See that? Loss. Boom. Next candle here, traded above. We lost. Okay. Next candle, never traded above, so this candle, this is invalid because we put our order at the top of the candle, never got there, invalid. Saved ourselves a loss. This one here, first white candle, traded above it, right here, traded above it, we lost. Okay, we lost. Oh, let's go back here. I think we deleted the wrong one. We lost this one, and we know we lost this. Well, we never got into this one because it never traded above it. See that? So we never got into that one. And we're going to come over here and make that like that. Okay, this next one here, big candle. What do you usually do when you see a big candle on the chart? Well, I got to wait for a retracement because I don't know how if it's going to retrace. No, just decide how much you're willing to risk and take the damn trade, right? This one here, no arrow, but it is above here. You traded above this candle here. See that? As soon as it traded above, boom, it's a win. Okay. This candle here, we traded above that. That's a win. Boom. Okay. This candle here, we traded above that. That's a win. Boom. This candle here, we traded above that. Let's see if this comes out to a win. It is eventually a win. Boom. Is it a win? Yeah, that's this one here. Hold on. This one here is a... Oh, they're both wins. So, okay, hold on. So this one is this one right here. Yeah, this one is this candle. We missed the candle. So Let's do this one first. And we see that that is a win. Okay, so we're going to delete that one. And then we have this one when we traded above this candle here. Win. Boom. Okay, this one here, traded above it. So we got to go here so that it knows that we want the next candle once it trades above it. And do we get a winner? We don't. Doesn't look like we get one. And yep, we get knocked out right here. Okay, so that is a loss. Okay, this next candle here, loss. Next candle here. We never got into this candle because it never traded above this one here. Okay, this candle never traded above that, so we're going to delete that trade. Got a trade here though. Okay, got into it here, traded above it, got stopped out here, loss. Okay, this candle here, hold on, this candle traded above this candle right here, loss. See that? Loss. Okay, this candle traded above this candle here, loss. Okay, this candle traded above this candle here, right here. We know we're going to lose this one because it didn't even go up that high, so loss. Okay, this candle traded above, nope, never traded above it, so we're out. This candle never traded above, well, it did a little bit. Yep, that's a loss. Gotta be fair. All right, so then we were in a downtrend, but we still think it's going up. So we're just waiting for the next opportunity to buy the top. This one here, obviously a loss, got taken out here. Okay, this one here, traded above it. Did we win anything? Yep, back to winning there. Got that one in. This one, the very next candle. Wait, hold on. What was that last one? Yeah, okay. So the very next candle that we, hold on. So this was this candle trading above. We want to do this candle here trading above. Did we get anything? Yes, win. Okay. And then this candle here trading above. What did we get? Got stopped out. That's a loss. Okay. This candle here, we never traded above anything up here. So then we get another white candle here. We trade above it. So these next ones are all going to be losses because there's not enough time left in the day. So that's a loss. I mean, it never came back and stopped us out, but we're going to count them as losses. Okay, we're going to count them as losses because we never got to the profit target. So that's there. This trade, okay, that's that trade here. So that's a loss. And then this is a loss here. Never got to the target, loss. And then this right here, the last candle of the day, it's over with. Never took, or it traded above, and that is also a loss. Okay, so we have our data now, right? And all we did was we took every white candle, every bullish candle that traded above another bullish candle, okay? This is the results. So when we won 12 times, we got 12 points. So that's 12 times 12. That should be 144. Let me check my math. I was never good at the 12 tables in my timetables. I never was good at that. 12 times 12. All right, 144. And when we lost 4 times, 5, 10, 15, 17 times 4. Okay, 17 times 4. All right, we got 68 points. Okay, now when we won, we're gonna just divide or multiply this by $50. This would be $3,400 to the negative side right here. But when we won 144 points. So 144 times 50 is going to equal 7,200 to the positive side. Okay. And 7,200 minus 3,400 is going to be a $3,800 profit. Okay. So of the trades that we took, which was 12 plus 17. That's going to be 29 trades. So we're going to divide this by 29 and see that. Divided by 29. Every trade we made an average of $131. Okay. Now you might look at this and say, okay, what does this mean, Jay? Well, it means that you can go long. Okay, you can go long for any rhyme or reason on almost any candle in an uptrend in a day. Okay, or any candle in a downtrend in a day. And you're probably going to make more. I haven't done this on the downside yet. You're probably going to make more on the downside because it moves so much faster. But as long as you keep your risk contained and you trade within your size limits, like you could do this with micros. You know, you could do this with micros. Just take a zero off of this and you've made $380. Okay? Now, at one point, I mean, you don't have trades open a long time. They close themselves. Okay? So, honestly, all you really have to do is let the trades play out. And they're going to produce this kind of win rate. Now, who traded today and who made that much money today? Who made $380 today? I traded today. I made about $600. Was a really easy uptrend to read. But I had my indicators down here. I had my trend lines going. I had all this stuff. And I'm looking at the chart at the end of the day and I'm like, man, if I just bought white candles that traded above the previous candle, if I just bought breakouts, right? Because when this candle, as we talked about before, it just looks like this on a lower time frame, right? And then when you get a candle that trades below and then trades back above, are you not getting a breakout of that candle? That's all it is, guys. So I guess you call this a breakout trading strategy. I don't know what it's called, but either way, it's profitable. All right. Chew on that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.